Hello, welcome back. Today I'm going to show you how you can make nice small stitches. I'm crocheting over 4 yarns. Insert the hook in the back loop, pull up the yarn, and then don't stretch the loop like this, but keep it short. Keep the loops on the tip of the hook, not all the way back here, because then you will stretch them again. So on the tip of the hook. Yarn over and pull through the loops. Once again, insert the hook, pull up the yarn, keep it small, yarn over, and then when you pull it through, don't hold the hook like this, because then you will split the yarn. Turn it a little, and then you can easily go through the loops. I always go through the loops one by one, then the stitch turns out a little nicer, I think. So yarn over, through one, and through the second. This way you get nice small stitches. Thank you for watching.